I'm back and I'm going to show you how I do an easy pulled pork. Now mine is not barbecued because with my pork tonight I'm going to make hot pork sandwiches with mashed potatoes. So I'm not going to do barbecue on mine. Now you certainly can, but I'm just showing you how I do mine. And yes, my pork is frozen right from the freezer, and this is doable. In mine, I have already called the manufacturer, and they said, yes, you can safely cook from frozen. If I can get it out of the package. Whoa. All right, let's try something else here. Get it? Okay, there we go. So yes, you have to make sure you call the manufacturer of your crock pot, slow cooker, whatever you want to call it, and ask them if you can, you know, safely cook meat from frozen, from freezer, right to your crock pot. And they'll let you know. So with this, all I'm going to season this with is, I need a teaspoon here. My fingers are wet. I'm just going to put a little rosemary in there because rosemary is fantastic with pork. Yummo. Okay, and a little bit of thyme. Oh, I love the smell of thyme. I grew a lot of lemon thyme this year too. Just a dot of thyme. All right. That's that for rosemary and thyme. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of my house blend, which is garlic, pepper, and salt. Put a little bit of that. All good. Put a little dot of water in the bottom of it. I'm going to close the lid. I'm not putting anything else in it. And I'm going to turn it on high. And I've already got it on high. So I'm going to let this go for a good 7 to 8 hours. Because I want it nice and tender and falling apart. So when that's all done and I get ready to tear it all apart, I will bring you back and show you how it looks. Hey friends, this is done. Look, it fell right off that bone. And now I'm going to take and, when I get done showing you this, I'm just going to start tearing it apart. And that's going to be a wonderful pulled pork sandwich for dinner. I'm going to take off that little bit of fat. I'm going to remove that. Put that in my sink. Yeah, this is going to be grand. Look how nice that turned out. And from frozen, and it's been in there for 6 hours. 6 hours is all it took, but look at how that just comes right apart there. It just falls apart. Fork tender. Alright, so that's it, friends. I am not going to put barbecue sauce or anything else on here. I'm just going to leave it plain because I'm going to do hot pork sandwiches with mashed potatoes for dinner. So there you have it. Give it a try. And if you're not sure whether you can take your meat from the freezer to your slow cooker, just call your manufacturer because they will tell you. They'll tell you the safest way to do it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.